Today's project will show how to replace a sliding glass door handle set with Swissco's 82-005 surface mount handle assembly. Because of its built-in mortise lock, this handle set can be used to replace a variety of outdated and no longer available styles. Some tools you should have on hand for this project include a Phillips head screwdriver, a scratch awl, a drill, and a drill bit. To begin this project, remove the original keeper and interior handle. Be sure to check the orientation of your current handle to determine if you will need to reverse your thumb latch. For more on this subject, watch our thumb latch reversal quick fix video. For this door, the keeper location is already set from the existing lock, so we'll match up the handle to meet the location of the keeper. This handle set comes with a keeper, but we used the 89-012 closed side mount to better match the existing hardware. In most cases, you would install the handle in the same general location of the existing handle, then line up the keeper to the handle. Before installing the new handle, determine if you'll need to drill new installation holes to accommodate the 4 and 15/16 inch spacing of the new handle. Remove the exterior handle, however applicable. In this demonstration, we remove ours with a socket driver, but yours will most likely be held in place with Phillips screws. Before drilling new holes, confirm that you won't hit glass by poking a scratch awl into the existing hole. If the awl reaches the full length of the frame, carefully begin drilling. Use the new installation holes to attach the exterior handle, securing both sides in place with the included fasteners. Now, simply confirm the keeper and handle latch meet properly by locking and unlocking the door. For these parts and more, visit us at swissco.com.